So some kind word for Davi. I already had some kind words. With Davi, we found out 3 years ago they can really help us further with a rolling machine. We have rolling machines, we have experience with rolling machines, but they really explain to us in theory what to do and what to do not. We also found out that they are ahead of competition. That's what we really think. If you look at the in-feed table possibilities, if you look at the automation grade, we think we made the right choice there and we have value for our money. Thank you for that.